Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the head unit is a full Android system and has a settings app. Many car-specific skins hide this. Once done, plug a formatted USB drive or pair your phone via USB to transfer the image files. Use PNG or JPEG under 4 MB. Next, open Settings and tap Display or Wallpaper. If you don't see it, enable developer options and allow access to external storage. This gets you into the menu, where you'll actually change the wallpaper. You now choose the image that matches the screen resolution. Use 1280 x 720 or the unit's native pixels so the image isn't stretched. Once copied to the head unit's Pictures or Wallpapers folder, open the Wallpaper Picker in Settings or launch a simple File Manager app. Select your image, then adjust crop, position, and scale if prompted. Many car launchers allow you to preview. Make sure to tap Apply or Set Wallpaper for home and lock screens when available to commit the change. You finish by rebooting the head unit to confirm the wallpaper persists after a restart. That often solves transient cache issues. If the image reverts, make sure the launcher has permission to read external storage and that no profile or theme app is overriding the setting. Open the launcher settings and disable auto-reset options. As a precaution, keep a backup image on USB so you can restore quickly. If problems continue, reset launcher preferences rather than factory resetting the whole unit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.